Say hello to my little friend, Ready Whip.
The only thing between you and a canned lifer is that little bit of cream.
And whipped explosives that would keep us in business. The can's a bit excessive, but it's fun. Jack here's the prime candidate. He's not gonna like this can going in, but I do. He's gullible, fun, and friendly. Ridiculously so. He's gonna show up after an anonymous call. He'll get to the pub at 10:37. That's when all the fun starts. It's like the whipped cream with the cherry on top.
This a routine job?
You just keep him on track. If he tries anything, disable him. I know all about you. You're like a mosquito bite. You're just itching for a way out of here. You try anything? Try to fly away? You wish you were the one strapped down on that table. Here's looking at you, kid.
You're so beautiful. It hurts.
Hello. We placed the call. He's on his way and he has no idea.
I won't lose him.
Yeah, some guy wants to sign on a gig deal. He's gonna be at the pub 10:37 sharp. Figured I might as well be a little bit early. He said he's gonna make us an offer we can't refuse.
He's in, we're set.
Talking to me? Oh, pardon.
I'm so tired of people just telling me I'm pretty. I'll have to survive. I'm sorry the neighbors are being a bit noisy today.
What are they doing?
Then they go eat at lunchtime. Excuse me, sir. You alright?
I see dead people. I gotta get out of here.
He's messing with it. He might have figured it out.
On my way.
I'm really sorry about that.
Thank you. There's nothing. See, he's not a machine. It's 10:36.